reorganize those linen closets, ladies. And if you're like me, nothing gets you more charged up than folding those towels and washcloths. In this video, we've got 3 sisters showing you how to fold those towels and washcloths to give your linen closet a fresh, updated hotel spa appearance. These 3 linen closet hacks are simple, but they will make your linen closet organized and accessible. And with that, let's get started. Our first hack is what we call the Spa Perfect Fold. You'll often see these neat and petite towel packages in spas, and they look amazing in your linen closet. Erica has a wonderful stand-alone linen closet cabinet that doubles as a piece of furniture.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Erica Spencer-Brown, and I am excited to show all of you how I fold some of my favorite Calvin Klein towels. So what we have here is a face towel, hand towel, and then of course our body towel. So I will show you how I fold my body towels first. I've started with a folded in half body towel. Then I take another fold all the way to the end of the other side of the towel, making sure that it's nice and neat as possible. It's a very simple fold, but very effective fold. Then I fold once, and then twice. It gives you a nice, neat fold that helps you fit several of your body towels in your linen closet. I love this fold. Next I'm going to do is the hand towel. So this is a fun way to fold your hand towel. So you take and you fold a triangle at the end of the towel, and then you half fold it all the way over to the other side. And so it looks like this. And you turn it over, being sure to smooth out any wrinkles that may have occurred when you turned it over, and then you tightly roll the hand towel, as tight as you can roll it, all the way until the end. And then you take the tip of the triangular fold and tuck it in as tight as you can so that it's secure. Then that gives you a nice, neat, folded hand towel. And lastly, our face towel, an average square face towel. Okay, so I'm going to take it and fold it under just a bit, so it looks like this. Then you fold it in half once, and then fold it in half twice. Then you take the other end, fold it once, and then twice. And this is what you have thus far. You take that folded in, and you pull it all over to the other side, and tuck the other end of the face cloth inside the fold, as tightly as you can. And you end up with a nicely kneaded and folded face towel. So that's how I fold my towels. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks.
Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. Hack number 2 is our classic fold. While its presentation is quite sophisticated, it's actually super simple to do and can be accomplished in just a few steps. Creator Alima Trapp provides a demonstration.
The key is really just uniformity. And for the size of the shelf in the linen closet, trying to make sure that you have enough room for the towel and the washcloth on the shelf. So this is the end product. We're gonna show you how to do this to get this look. So basically, it's a very simple fold. You have the full towel. It's a pretty big towel, one of the larger bath towels. You fold it the long way, get it all evened out. Look, for the face cloth, I simply fold in half with the tag on the inside, lining up the seams. Place the wet washcloth underneath the towel in the center and flip up. This helps me get enough space so that they fit on the shelf.
For more of Alima's tips and tricks for your linen closet, connect with her through Deets and Details on Instagram. Hack number 3 is the traditional fold. This is the way my mom organized her linen closet, stacking the washcloths, hand towels, and bath towels separately. If you're concerned that your main linen closet is too tight of a squeeze, then McKee A. Sykes out of Pearl, Mississippi has awesome tips for you. First, she adds more shelf space with this linen closet door rack purchased on Amazon. Then she adds color coordinated storage bins for more organization. I think her top secret has to do with the way she folds her towels. Let's take a look. Notice how snugly those towels fit in a cabinet or linen closet. For professional organizing, contact McKee at Wake, Pray, Create. Her website is below. Get ready for the annual linen closet competition. We had some amazing linen closets last year, and we expect to have some wonderful ones this year as well. So, if you've recently transformed your linen closet, or if you have a knack for folding towels, washcloths, and sheets, we want you. Yes, we want you. And viewers can cast a vote for their fan favorite, and she'll win a gift card and be crowned the 2022 Linen Closet Queen. To enter, send your horizontal pics and videos to MommyRoomREDO@gmail.com. Take care!